couldn't see him. Couldn't see him. He got the 1,000-foot mark. I could barely see him. I quit looking for him.
Eldon Baum Jr. and Doug Fazalore coming up first, a pair of 1968 darts as we begin round 2 of the 21st running of the Dodge Hemi Shootout here at the U.S. Nationals. It is the 21st. It is the longest running specialty race in NHRA history.
I was in the first one. I was in here.
Oh, you were in here in the first.
Yeah.
I figured you were in the seat in the first.
No, I've been there in one of them.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, I didn't realize there was that many.
It is a pretty incredible thing to think about. 21 times this has been pulled off. We see so much of this stuff come and go, but these cars endure, man. The legend of these cars, the mythology of these cars, are always so enduring.
Well, if we make 21 more years, I'll celebrate my 100th birthday. How's that?
I'll be honest with you. You get a better shot at Hemi A. It felt too good, man. And Rich Locker is being shut off on the starting line. Locker's car was pulling ahead to stage. It was leaking. The safety safari has shut him off. And that means number one qualifier, Steve Camella, will have a solo run into the semifinal round of the Dodge Hemi Shootout. Camella's car has been 852.7. This is the